Keeping a plant running around the clock or just avoiding equipment failures is critical to the success of any business. Recognizing this, ABB has devised a series of life cycle services for its variable speed drives. One such service is preventive maintenance. Users of variable speed drives and solar inverters want to get the best performance out of their equipment throughout its lifetime to ensure maximum uptime and to minimize unplanned downtime and repair costs. At the heart of good maintenance planning is a drive or solar inverter maintenance schedule, which identifies all the aging parts to be replaced and service actions to be taken. To ensure continued reliability of the installed plant and to maintain high productivity, ABB recommends preventive maintenance and reconditioning services. Preventive maintenance is carried out annually on the customer site during plant production shutdowns. Components that are aging due to humidity, chemical, or thermal deterioration, to name a few, are replaced. Also, other inspections are carried out, including, for example, connections check. Finally, there is a test run before a detailed service report is produced. Report includes recommendations for future actions. A good preventive maintenance plan ensures that the drive or inverter retains its reliability. It keeps maintenance and repair costs under control, helping to plan any future expenditure. But most importantly of all, it extends the drive's or inverter's lifetime. Reconditioning is a more involved service undertaking at an authorized ABB drive service workshop. In comparison to preventive maintenance, it provides more in-depth investigation of a drive or inverter. Plus, a customer gets 12-month warranty, the same as with the new product. ABB recommends this service at least once during a drive's or inverter's life when major components, such as electrolytic capacitors, are to be replaced according to the maintenance schedule. The modules are cleaned under the water, whether the electronic boards undergo ultrasonic cleaning, which allows to achieve the highest level of cleanliness of the module. Each module is load tested with motors and generators to verify that a drive or inverter module is fully functioning after the maintenance.
Performing preventive maintenance and recondition services offers a good return of investment as the work is carried out by highly trained, certified ABB engineers, either at customer premises or in authorized ABB drive service workshops.
So to ensure drives or inverters run at peak performance and always carry out regular preventive maintenance and reconditioning to help extend the operational life of the drive, reducing capital costs and keeping production high at all times. Please call us. We're happy to tell you more.